if you're experiencing login failures on Kaspr. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Kaspr's customer support. Provide them with details about your issue and they can assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Kaspr. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.